Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start with purpose. Decide why you are reading this chapter and pick 3-4 colors to represent themes. Once done, place a page flag at the first paragraph that matters and write a single word label on it. This anchors context. Make your first full sticky note only when a sentence sparks a reaction, a summary, question, or quote. Use short phrases, not full paragraphs, and date each note so you can track progress and return quickly later. Now move through the text systematically. At each key point, add a sticky with a 10-15 word summary or a targeted question. Make connections by drawing arrows between notes on facing pages. This visual link helps memory. For quotes, write the page and a brief reason why it matters. Once you collect several notes, reorder tabs so related items cluster together. This creates mini-themes and makes later synthesis faster and less confusing. Finish by synthesizing. Group clustered sticky notes into an index note or a one-page summary. This turns fragments into a coherent outline. Make time to review within 24 hours and convert the 3 most important notes into study flashcards or action items. If you find the system overwhelmed, too many colors or misplaced tabs, stop, condense similar notes, and reassign colors. That quick reset prevents future confusion and keeps the method usable and focused.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.